The most promising is the technology we have in front of us. The opportunity is how do we measure it and hold campaigns and AI accountable for driving performance.
CMOs are struggling to justify the investments in marketing to their CEOs and to the CFOs to connect the dots between the marketing investments and the business impact. It's very critical.
This festival is all about creativity and the technology that actually powers the delivery of that creativity, which is pretty cool. I think more and more now we're seeing sales and heads of marketing in one room, because what's happening is the marketing is actually totally connected.
Regarding AI, last year felt like buzz. This year feels a lot more like AI in practice.
AI really cannot automate or replace creativity, right? Like, you still need the humanity behind the work that's really the driving force for the industry.
Premium is more important than ever. In a world with thousands of messages a day, how do you break through the noise? How do you break through the sea of sameness? And that's where those premium environments become all the more important.
It's not just about operationalizing the generation and process around creative and activation, but how do you operationalize the evaluation of that success?